The developmental stage, you generating, you creating image, and with the visualization. But now here become more subtle. Completion stage is more dissolved. Although the imagination, the gross level of imagination is dissolved, but subtle level of concept still there. In Tibetan, what we call lung. Lung could be air, could be breath. So there are 3 lung in Sanskrit called prana. So wisdom prana is beyond time, beyond matter. Yet that is the basis of the other 2 prana, other 2 energy, the subtle energy and the gross level, the breath.